Good morning, everyone. It's Michelle Mitten Prepper. Just dropped my daughter off to enjoy her day here on the farm while I get to deal with a few unfortunate events. So I'm trying to sit here and enjoy the peace and quiet. My heart's just a little bit broken today. A few times here and there I may have mentioned on other people's channels, or I kind of have no voice as well, so I apologize for that. I have been trying to work towards owning my own home again. I served my 8-year contract in full with the Army as a combat medic for them. I served families and their children in between my career and trying to go to college. I'm the kind of person that I put my whole heart into things. Back and forth for months now with the VA. I just heard that I am not veteran enough. Whew, sorry. I'm not veteran enough after serving my 8-year contract, no matter what I did for them or where I was or where I was stationed. I am not veteran enough to qualify for my VA loan. Today, this actual day today, was to have been the closing date on a home. Basically, as the only thing, legacy-wise, of me, that I would be able to leave for my daughter when I'm not here. I'm not even able to do that now. There are no words to describe how I feel about this entire situation and being told I'm not veteran enough. I've taken these hard and difficult times and all things that have happened to myself and my daughter as God's plan for hopefully better things. Yes, it may be, God's way of saying, again, not now, whatever his message is. But it is truly heartbreaking for me to hear that what I did and what I gave up and everything that I've done has been for nothing for this country. I am basically not a veteran, so it seems. I may have some pieces of paper that say that I served for 8 years, but to the government right now, the VA, it means zero for them. All I can say is that they can unqualify me as much as they want to. It wouldn't be the first time in my life with anything. Just keep trying to do what I do, which is provide the best life possible for my daughter, and hopefully someone appreciates it. That's all I can hope, is that somebody actually appreciates it, because obviously the government doesn't appreciate me. I'll keep on keeping on. That's all I can do. And maybe someday I'll find that out, what the purpose is of everything in this life here. Just prepare for your families, because obviously the government really doesn't give two poops about us. That's what I've learned today, unfortunately. I love y'all, and I will talk to you soon.